Got an original Chevrolet Silverado 1986 AM/FM stereo radio. We've redone the face of it, cleaned it up, polished it, all push buttons, everything. We've done the Aurora Design conversion on it. Now it's got 4 channels out, full stereo, 45 watts. It has a USB AM/FM stereo. Basically just made it a better radio, something you can depend on now. It's a good sounding radio. One thing I like about the Aurora Design stuff, you get to keep everything you always had. All your push buttons still work.
Ashley talked to a region 1583 to do time and Cleverville.
AM radio, just switch it over. Take it back to AM. FM. Stereo light, operating LED, tell you where you're at.
The two sides of one coin. On the one hand, turning away, on the other hand, turning to. And it
has auxiliary in. You'll be getting this cable here that you plug into the radio after you get it installed. Inputs on this side, and you can hide this wherever you want to. You'll be getting the male-to-male to plug in your device. We're going to show you how that works. I got a little iPod here with some music on it, and all you have to do is just turn it on.
Forsake sin more and more, but the problem is
it goes straight to it.
Could have heard a pin drop.
That's how your auxiliary in works. We'll demonstrate this and had a built-in fader for front and rear speakers. There's your rear speakers. There's your front. About middle right there. Then you have treble and bass, like you always had. Your balance fader is built in your treble and bass. You find the center of it, which this one has a notch in it, and you crank it twice counterclockwise. Now we go to balance. There's your rights, there's your lefts, and when you find what you want, which we're going to go back to center, you just let go and it's going to beat. Back on treble and bass. Go. Fader. Treble and bass and built-in balance. On your auxiliary in, when you get done with your device, you can just turn it off, and your radio takes 20 seconds to cycle back around to where it was. If you don't like to move it or wait, just turn it off and right back on. It remembers where you're at.
Sheds the light on this thing on my soul that what I
heard the sport and orthopedic urgent care. Never know when you need help in the most extreme conditions. You're Joint Orchestra Kentucky.
Got the original light in it.
Love songs. Tickets start.
Everything's original on it, including the plug-ins. And basically it's ready to go. I appreciate you letting me do it for you. It polished up, looks to be a real nice radio.
Saturday, February 6th.
Thank you.
Orchestra Kentucky welcomes